Wow, found the latest wave of Tomica Jr Collection 3 capsule toys at Donki Store in Singapore. I'm very happy. When I saw my Japanese friends sharing their find, I'm really envy. And now here you are, the latest wave of Gachapon toys from Takara Tomy. I got my coins ready and now let's give it a shot. What unique about this mini car is they are all die cast and I really wanted the GTR police. Wow, I got this GTR police on my very first try. That's awesome. Being a new release, it's a very popular merchandise. It's sold out very fast. There's about 3 or 4 capsules left inside the machine. And I'm so glad that I got the GTR police that I always wanted in my very first try. So that's it for me. You can always find a couple of Tomica Gachapon in the machine, but they're all plastic, except for the Tomica Jr Collection 3, which are die cast. Thanks to Donki Store, we always have the latest merchandise from Japan, including Gachapon machine. And today, I'm going to do a review on the Junior GTR Police versus the regular Tomica. On the left is the 2015 mystery car, which includes the GTR Police. And on the right is the regular release for last year. It also includes a mini catalog in black and white. The first pair includes the Nismo Fair Lady Z in different color variation. The second pair is the Nissan GTR, which many collector likes, including me. It consists of the Nissan GTR in gold and also the police version, which is what we have now. The last pair is the Toyota Alphard, which I guess is the less popular casting among all. Although small in size without any scale stated, it's quite a heavy casting and is very well executed. I'm quite surprised that it includes the Tomica standard suspension, which I'm very impressed. The details are almost identical to the regular Tomica. At such a small scale, I do not expect it to have any opening doors. All is perfect except for the police printing on the spoiler, which is misaligned. And now let's compare the Junior Collection with the Mystery Car series. I'm quite surprised the police crest on the hood from the Junior Collection is larger than the regular version. The details are almost similar and I'm very happy with the Junior Collection version. Next, a comparison with the regular version, released in 2018. Same level of details, although their scales are miles apart. Overall, the Junior GTR Police is a very nice casting. I'm very happy that it comes with a die-cast body. And if you are in Japan or other parts of Asia, to keep a lookout on the Gachapon machines and give yourself a try. It's fun. Remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye!